So price is absolutely like a deck of cards being shuffled. And when you understand how the mechanic, the composite man, the real market maker, when they're running up a hand, stacking a deck, building a market structure, and ready to deal the top or the bottom of the deck, buy side or sell side, you'll know how to play the hand that you have. Betting what you can afford to bet and ante up on. If you can't afford it, you can't ante up, then you just watch it, you study it. But we're not looking at price and when it moves like, oh shit, where did that come from? Oh, that was surprising, look at that. Have you ever heard me remark like, wow, shit, I didn't see that coming? Yeah, you're going to have the same thing occur every time we do our live streams. It's boring. It's fucking boring. And I'll say this in closing, because I have a couple minutes left and you thought I was going to go over it, didn't you? Why isn't ICT a fucking billionaire? If he's the smartest person in the world, which I don't claim to be. I've never said that. Why isn't ICT a billionaire? Well, first of all, none of you know my net worth, and I don't make it my business to tell anybody my net worth. And it's irrelevant anyway. But if a card counter is discovered in a casino, does the casino invite them to sit at their table? No. As much as you believe that these markets are free, they're not. They're controlled, and they should be. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm not vilifying any of it. But you shouldn't be afraid of it. You should be thankful it's rigged. It's good. It's a good thing that it's rigged. Because if it was really free, the folks on Reddit would have crashed it a long time ago. But you've seen how silly that was, wasn't it? I have handlers. I'm allowed to do certain things and a longer list that I can't. So you see me doing what I do. Demo, no problem. I got no problem teaching you on a demo account. I got no problem teaching the way I teach. I see no limitation in it. And I allow the ill-equipped, mentally deficient individuals that want to just say, if he was doing this and doing that, I let them have those arguments. And I toy with them out here on Twitter. And I snidely remark in passing in my videos. And that's my way of letting them know I don't give a fuck. You still can't come close to this. And anytime I want, I can make millions of dollars. Anytime I fucking want. I am doing this because I love doing this. And it's partially a vendetta. And that's as far as I'll mention in that regard. But if someone says I can't walk on the fucking grass, I'm going to moonwalk all over that motherfucker. And while I may not be allowed to play at the table, I'm bringing a whole lot of motherfuckers all around the world to play.